So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be comparing Vegas Pro 19 and Final Cut Pro into which is better for YouTube Shorts editing. So now let's begin. When comparing Vegas Pro 19 and Final Cut Pro for editing YouTube Shorts, it is essential to consider several factors such as ease of use, features, performance, and platform compatibility. So now, I'll give a detailed comparison between the two. First, let's go with Vegas Pro 19. Vegas Pro 19 has its advantages, like it has user-friendly interface, it has powerful editing tools, you can edit audio, and it supports a wide range of formats and plugins. Generally, it is a more affordable option compared to Final Cut Pro, especially with subscription plans. So now we're gonna proceed to disadvantages. So in Vegas Pro 19, it is only available for Windows, which can be a limitation if you use a Mac. And it may not be as optimized as Final Cut Pro on some systems, potentially leading to slower performance. On the other hand, Final Cut Pro has its advantages as well. So it is optimized for Mac, designed especially for Mac OS. It has magnetic timeline, which is highly efficient for arranging clips. And it includes powerful tools such as 360-degree video editing. It also takes full advantage of Mac's hardware and is frequently updated with new features and improvements. But like Vegas Pro 19, it also has disadvantages. Like it is only available for Mac, which is a limitation if you use a Windows PC, and it can be more complex for beginners compared to Vegas Pro. So, which is better for YouTube Shorts editing? So, if you're a Windows user, Vegas Pro 19 is the way to go, offering great features and ease of use. And if you're a Mac user, Final Cut Pro is likely the better choice, providing superior performance and advanced features tailored for Mac OS. So, that's everything for this video, and if this helped, please leave a like and subscribe.